Good morning, students. Again, this is Teacher V. How are you today? Okay, very good. I am happy also. Right, so this is mathematics. Okay, our subject is math, and today is what day is today? What day today? Today is Monday. Today is Friday. Very good, Friday. Today is Friday and today is August 13, 2021. All right, so now let's go to the next page. Okay, here is the part 2 of our lesson. Okay, this is the continuation of our lesson last time. All right, students, so please pay attention. So you focus on the lesson so you can understand very well. All right, listen, speak, and say. Okay, here is this is just a self-evaluation, student. Okay, you have to fill in the gaps. All right, so fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps. All right, okay, so let's have number one. Okay, let's put line here. Okay, so this area is number one. Okay, look, what fruit is this? What fruit is this? Yes, that is called a longans. All right, so let's read the sentence. How many longans are there in this bunch? How many longans are there in this bunch? So you have to call to count how many. All right, again, the question is how many longans are in this bunch? Bunch. Okay. How many students can you count? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you have to write 9 here. Okay, write your answers here. All right, number 2. How many colors are there in Thailand flag? Okay, so this is Thailand flag. How many colors are there? Colors. Colors. Okay, then you have to count the color of the flag and put your answers on the space provided. Okay, so now let's move on to the next page. Okay, here is another question here. Number 3. I live at 9 Cleveland Street. Write my home address as a word. So you are, I live in 9 Cleveland Street. Okay, so the word, the number is 9. Okay, that is the home address 9. So you have to write 9 in words. Okay, let's say for example, teacher will, just hang on 1 second. Okay, so let's say for example, student, 1. Okay, if you write it in word, it's O-N-E 1. 2, it's T-W-O. Okay, so now, student, can you write 9 in words here? How do you spell the word? Okay, spell the word. Spell the the spell number 9. Okay, and then put it here on top. All right, students, so number 4, write the missing number. So you are going to write the missing number. Okay, so we've already, this is on your book, page number 49. Okay, go on to page number 49. Okay, let's say for example, number 1. What do you think is the missing number here if we add both this number and the result is 8. What do you think is the missing number? It's number 6. Okay, why teacher is number 6? Okay, let's say 2 plus 6 equals 8, right? That's it. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. So you are going to find the missing number here in number 2, in number 4, and number 3. Okay. So now, teacher, how about this one? How do you calculate or do it? Okay, let's see. How can we find the number? Okay, 6 and 3, right? So we have to find a number that if we add this one, the result will be that number. Okay? All right. So, or we have to put something, a number here, and then when we add the two numbers, the result will be that number. Okay? Let's say, for example, 6 plus 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? 6, 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. How much is the result, student? It's 9. Right? Okay. That's it. So you have to put here number 9. 9. So 6 and 3. If you add them together, then the result is number 9. Okay. So do the rest, students. Do this one. What is the missing number? Okay. Here, compare number. This is number 5. Compare the numbers and write greater than, smaller than, or equal to. So you have to write again, choose greater than, smaller than, and equal to. So you only need to choose those numbers. Okay. So now let's go to the next number 1. Number 1. 3 is blank 8. So what do you think is the answer? Greater than, smaller than, or equal to? Okay, let's see if what is your answer, student? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Yes, it's smaller than. Okay, again, 3 is smaller than 8. All right. So now, student, try to answer number 2 and number 3 and choose this words only. Okay, please check the numbers properly. Which one is the greater or the smaller, and if both of them are equal. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. Here is number 6. This is number 6. So let's read. Martha is 7 years old. Muhammad is 9 years old. Mariam is 4 years old. Matthew is 6 years old. Okay, so now we have to arrange number 1. Let's say number 1, sorry. Okay, let's do the number 1. Arrange their age in descending order. Okay, so age students are this one. These are the age. Okay, so we have to arrange their age in descending order. Okay, this was our topic before, like 3 weeks ago. We tackled or talk about descending order. Okay, teacher, can you give an example? Of course, teacher will give you an example. All right, so this one, look at this picture. Say, for example, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. If we arrange this number in descending order, we have to do it like this. What is the first number? Okay, so this is the how to arrange descending number. Okay, 5 you should put here. Next is 4. That means big number to smallest number. Okay, big to small number. And teacher, how do you call this one? They are descending order. Okay, this is an example of descending order from big to small. Okay, so now you are going to arrange this age in descending order, then write your answers here. Okay, again, descending order, the rules is from bigger number to smaller number. Big to small. Okay, number 2. Let's say number 2. Write the name of the child who is older than 4 years old but younger than 7. Okay, so you have to write the name of the child. So these are the names. Okay, so you choose the name here and then write the name here. Okay, again, a child who is older 4 and younger 7. That means, students, it's older 4 years old but younger than 7. Okay, so you have to choose who is that person, who is that child, and then answer your now answer it. Let's say, for example, teacher, the answer is Matthew. So you have to write Matthew. Matthew. Okay, like that. So you have to write it here. And then your answer in number 1, also write it here. Okay, so choose the best answer, student. Okay, look at this picture. I have this is one also in your book. This is one of the activity that you're going to do in a while. But first, teacher will give you an example. Okay, this is a boy, right? Of course, a boy. All right, so let's fill in the space here. My name is John Lee. Okay, the name of the boy is John Lee. John Lee. I am 7 years old. My name is John Lee. I am 7 years old. My parents have 7 children. My parents have 7 children. I am their first child. I am their first child. There are 9. There are 9. There are 9 people in my family. There are 9 people in my family. Okay. People in my family. Parts of my body that have 2 sides are. So you have to, John Lee said, these are my parts of my body, or the parts of my body that have 2 sides. Okay. The first part is, we have my eyes. Okay. He said my eyes. Why? Because it's 2 sides. All right. 1, 2. Ears. 1, 2. Arms. 1, 2. Okay. That's it. So next, hands. He also have 2 hands. Feet. He also have 2 feet. And legs. He also have 2 legs. Okay, students. So this is on your activity. So this is an example. Example. Again, this is an example. So do not use or follow the example. Do it your own, student. Okay, fill in this one. Okay, that's it. So now let's go to this portion. This is on page number 51. Okay, what you're going to do is to draw yourself here. Okay, like this one. Like this one. So you have to draw yourself. Draw yourself here. Okay? Let's say you are a girl, then you have to color your hair. Yeah, yeah, you can put like that. Okay? And okay, that's it. Okay. That's it then. How many hands do you have? All right, that's it, students. So you are going to draw yourself here. It's a very big hand. Okay, so that's it, students. So you have to draw and then put your fill up this one. Okay. Again, if you are confused, go back to here and then look at this one, and then they are the same. So you have to change it. Like my name is. What is your name? Or you can put your nickname also, or you can put your full name. Okay, and then I am. So it's better, student, put your name. Okay, name. Okay, that's it. So let's say, for example, Siralat Moria. Your name is Sirayat Moria. So you have to write the full name. Okay, and then put all the details here. Okay, that's it, students. So I think we're done with our lesson in part 2. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Teacher V, and we'll see you again in the next class. Bye bye.